Welcome to Best For You. Today, we're introducing you to the perfect ice-making machines. With their practical, fast, and quiet operation, these machines will always keep your drinks fresh and enjoyable. Let's start exploring and see how easy it is to make ice at home or in the office. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Let's dive into the products. 1. Antarctic Star Countertop Ice Maker. With this device, you can make up to 34 pounds of ice by simply filling 1.1 liters of water. You can enjoy as many icy drinks as you want throughout the day. And the best feature of this machine is its ability to produce chewable nugget ice. Unlike traditional hard ice, these ice nuggets easily melt while chewing and never alter the taste of your beverage. Moreover, its quiet operation won't disturb you. Thanks to its transparent lid, you can easily monitor the ice-making process. The ice scoop holder also makes it easy to find your scoop before starting the ice-making process. And the best part is its self-cleaning function. Simply press the Ice Clean button for 5 seconds, and the machine will clean itself for 15 minutes. If you press this button again during the cleaning process, it will immediately stop. This mini ice maker is only $8.50. It's 11.22 pillars, 12.60 inches in size, so it takes up minimal space. This means it can fit on almost any countertop and can be easily stored when not in use. If you want to get this amazing ice maker, you can easily order it by clicking the link in the description or read real user reviews. Remember, this product is only available on Amazon. 2. Kismile Nugget Ice Makers. This device can produce up to 35 pounds of ice within 24 hours with its 1.1 liter water tank, with the ability to churn out the first batch of ice in just 7 minutes. This countertop ice maker eliminates the need to waste time going to the store for ice. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning. Simply press the on-off button for 5 seconds to activate the self-cleaning feature of this ice maker. In just 15 minutes, you'll have a brand new ice maker ready to serve you fresh ice. Chewable Nugget Ice offers a truly unique taste experience. With its slow melting and superior texture, this ice is ideal for slushies, cocktails, sodas, and more. The portable ice maker has been tested at a noise level of just 43 dB to ensure a quiet environment. Additionally, intuitive LED indicators allow you to stay informed about water levels, ice production, and cleaning status, making ice preparation a breeze. And most importantly, this ice maker is more than just a device, it's a modern work of art. With its stylish design and compact size of 8.6, 11.3, 12.68, it adds an elegant touch to any space. The transparent casing allows you to easily check ice storage at a glance, and you can enjoy the ice with the included scoop. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. 3. Kndko Nugget Ice Maker. You'll never run out of ice again. With its capacity to produce a whopping 35 pounds of ice within 24 hours, this Nugget Ice Maker is the perfect solution for everything from home parties to office environments and outdoor gatherings. Unlike traditional hard ice cubes, the Nugget Ice produced by this machine is soft, chewable, and made from compacted ice flakes. This ensures that your drinks retain their flavor and provides the perfect snack at any time of the day. What's more, with a fresh ice production capacity of 1.8 pounds per hour, it can produce up to 45 pounds of ice every day. Its self-cleaning feature and 24-hour timer offer you a more convenient lifestyle, allowing you to wake up to fresh ice whenever you want and enjoy refreshing beverages throughout the day. And here's the best part, the device is currently 50% off. If you're considering buying one, act fast. Links are in the description. 4. Silonn Ice Maker. Firstly, this ice maker produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. With a 2-liter water tank, it can reach a maximum ice capacity of up to 26 pounds within 24 hours. You can make small or large ice cubes according to your preference. This device stands out with its quiet operation, producing ice at a noise level below 35 dB, ensuring no disturbance in your home. Its transparent lid allows you to easily monitor the ice capacity, and the automatic sensor stops production when the ice bin is full to prevent overflow. The control panel is very user-friendly. Simply fill the water, press the on button, select the ice cube size, and you're all set. Plus, its self-cleaning feature makes maintenance a breeze. Lastly, its compact design ensures portability, allowing you to take it wherever you want. If you'd like to try this amazing device, you can order it right away by clicking the link in the description. Remember, this product is only available here and on sale. Let's start enjoying refreshing drinks with ice.